Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. Just about to get into some interior detailing, and I'm going to break out my new Scrub Ninja MAXes. This is a new dual-sided design, so I thought I would break out the recording equipment, get some footage, and share my experience. Let's get to work. The newest version of the Scrub Ninja is the Scrub Ninja MAX that has been improved by adding nylon scrub brush material. So just think of your favorite detailing brushes. It's the same material, just short, and many of them, and on both sides now. So it's dual-sided, not just a microfiber material on this side and the scrubbing material on this side. The exact same scrubbing material and fibers, nylon fibers, but on both sides and colored differently so you can kind of keep track as to which side you were using. The Scrub Ninja MAX is great for cleaning plastics, especially textured plastics, leather and vinyl, and it cleans like a brush-like bristle-type material made of nylon. You can clean it out at the end of your job or the end of your chore by just rinsing it out with cool water with a little bit of diluted APC and let it air dry from there. I like to team these up with the Kraken APC, and let's see what these things can do. Just want to give you a closer look and show you these are, pretty much exactly detail brush bristles, but many of them and very small and a little bit stiffer than if they were attached to a detailing brush. A pack of 3, by the way, you're looking at $15. So you can see the bristles there. Just nylon bristles. Short enough to be firm and cleaned efficiently, but soft enough not to do any damage on some of your more delicate materials. And then on the edges, it's almost like your microfiber drying towels, kind of silky, smooth and soft material on the edges. All right, let me give you some examples as to what it can do. Textured plastics here, an excellent place to use the tool. Let's use the lighter colored side with the nylon bristles, again on both sides. And instead of spraying the product right onto the surface, just spray it onto the tool itself. And you can come in and see how quickly and easily it is to clean these substrates. That's it. That's all it took. All you have to do from here is follow up with either a dry or a damp microfiber to make sure there's no residue from the cleaners left behind. And you can see what we easily pulled away from that plastic. This gear shift knob, really nasty, as you can see here. And it has a rough texture to it. So another great area where we could use the Scrub Ninja. Just mist it onto the scrubber. Now it's like new. And you can see what we pulled off. Gross. Now right here, we have some slobber. I don't know who put this on the C-pillar here. I'm not going to mention any names, but we're going to clean it up. For this, we definitely do want to spray onto the surface. Let that soak a little bit, break up all the grossness, the slobber. And by the way, while we clean this up, the guilty party takes a little bit of a nap. That's okay. All right, after a couple minutes, in just a few short seconds, we're going to have this pillar perfectly clean with the help of the Scrub Ninja MAX. Done. Here inside the hatch, from loading and unloading, I'm not sure what it is, but we'll find out if we can remove it with the scrubber. Let's see if we can take care of it just by spraying some cleaner onto the MAX. Spread it in there. Now we can let it sit and dwell a little bit. I like doing that better than just spraying and the mist going everywhere. So let's let that sit for just a few minutes. Maybe you can break whatever that is down and we can remove it quicker. All right, let's see what we can do. Wow, made easy work of whatever that was. And you just flush the area, make sure there's no residue, and move on. Very nice. One more area, this is some transfer from loading stuff in and out. I believe it was from the edge of a 4x8 sheet of particle board, so some sort of black paint, or I'm not sure. But let's just spray it, let it soak a little bit. A little bit more stubborn than the other, but let's just keep working at it, see what we can do. Can't see what's going on here. A little bit left. We just have to get just a little bit more aggressive with the chemical, no problem. A little bit of Citral 266. I'll just spray it into that corner right there. And we are done. Very nice. When you're finished, the end of your project, just run it under your tap, cool water, and look how easy it is without even kind of scrubbing that. Look how easy it is to clean. The fibers just let go of that dirt, and it's nice and fresh. Nice and fresh for the next time you need to do some work. I also like to take mine over to the air chuck. Clean both sides out. It's like a brand new brush again, and speeds up the drying process. All right, guys, short video. It didn't take me long to show you how effective these are. You have the material on both sides instead of just one side with the microfiber on the other. Like I said, a pack of these 3 here, this was $15. Let me know down in the comments section what you use. Have you tried these yet? How long are they holding up for you? Hey guys, I'll catch you in the next video. It's always nice when you can find tools that are effective and make your day go quicker and you can be more profitable. I'll catch you in the next video.